Hey everybody, happy Thursday. I hope everyone's having a great week. Just want to make a quick video to talk about the Apex Concierge Services program that we have here at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. It's a great product feature. Again, only available to Berkshire Hathaway Home Services agents. The first feature of that product is our pre-sale home prep. So what that does, it allows a seller to make renovations or stage their home or declutter their home at no out-of-pocket cost to the seller, as long as they have a listing agreement, an exclusive listing agreement with a Berkshire Hathaway Home Services agent. They can make renovations to their house, whether it's flooring, tile, paint job, plumbing, AC, in order to prep that home for sale on the market, in order to garner a higher price. So maybe you have an older home with a lot of deferred maintenance, maybe outdated flooring, outdated tile. You can either sell the property as is and potentially garner a lower sales price, or you can invest a $10,000 to $15,000 of the seller's equity into the home to make these renovations by a licensed contractor. We have professional stagers and designers that assist the sellers with some of these decisions, and draw plans for them as well. Again, this is zero out of pocket for the seller. Everything would be paid at closing. So again, we're talking about a home that could potentially sell for $20,000 to $30,000 less because it's dated, it's being sold as is, versus investing a nominal fee into the property to upgrade it, to renovate it, to make it look more modern and garner a higher sales price, therefore netting the seller more money in their pocket. Again, guys, this is a unique feature only to Berkshire Hathaway agents. It's called Apex Concierge Services. This is just one of the features that we're currently offering. We'll make another video with the next feature, another great feature, which is a bridge loan for sellers to buy their next property without having yet sold their existing property. So I'll get into details on that one in the next video. But again, guys, just want to make you aware of this great concierge services that we offer here at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. The pre-sale home prep allows a seller, again, to renovate their house, upgrade their house in order to garner a higher sales price versus selling a home that is possibly dated, as is, or needs major or minor repairs. Thanks again, guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me directly at omar4homes@gmail.com. Hope everyone has a great Thursday. Take care.